Alright guys, so tonight we're going to be making spicy avocado slices. They're going to be, we're actually not frying them, we're baking them. So, it's the first time doing it on video, didn't want to make too much of a huge mess, so tonight we're only going to be working with what we got. This is my leftovers from last night's dinner. I'm using a 6-pepper spice. I will give you the recipe in the video. I'm using almond flour, pork rinds. I get whatchamacallit, generic brand from HEB. I'm gonna throw these in the food processor, and these will be our breadcrumbs along with this. So we'll see you in a few minutes. Now when I do these, I do the whole bag. You can actually leave them in the bag sometimes and crush them with a rolling pin, but the uniformity isn't always there, so use a food processor. Now, if you're new to food processing, don't mess around with those blades, they're sharp. So I want to crush down a little bit so they get in the blades, and we'll hit it for a minute. All right, so that was just quick little crush, and as you can see, I mean, they're becoming like panko flakes, and that's exactly how we're going to use them. So now we're going to throw in the second half of the bag and get them going. See you in a minute. All right, so they're done, and now what we'll do is, so we can use them for further recipes, we are going to put it in my favorite storage containment device, Tupperware. So, now we have keto panko crumbs. When you're cooking with these, you do not get any pork rind flavor. So if you grew up hating them, like I did, they taste absolutely nothing like pork rinds once you cook them. So we're just using them for the texture. All right, see you in a minute. All right, so the biggest question I've always had with myself is, how do I pick a good avocado? Well, it should be slightly tender, nothing crazy, and peel out that stem. There's a little root from where it was growing on the tree. Pop it out. If it's turning brown or brown, it's ripe. Now I've already cut that one. Go to the middle, roll it, twist it. Now, that's fine. Believe it or not, I was always one, I wasn't going to eat that. It's completely fine. So, then twist it. There you go. All right, to do these, what I'm going to do, contrary to popular opinion, is I'm going to slice like that. Now you want to try to keep them the same size, thickness. The reason for that is, as you're cooking them, you want them to cook in the same amount of time. Now, that did go a little bit too much through, so as you can see, you just cut it out. Just like that. And we'll discard those. Now, you can do it with a spoon, but I already have a knife in my hand. I just right off the skin. Just all right, little slight bit of meal prep here. I took some aluminum foil. This is a for frying in the oven, baking. I like doing it this way with the avocados. That way I get both sides without them getting too soggy on one side or the other. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You want to do that so as we're finishing up, we can just get rocking and rolling. So we've got our little station set up. We've got our avocados here, almond flour, egg wash, and then pork rinds. We'll take them, Just grab a slice, dip it, get it coated good in the almond flour, egg wash it, and then the pork rinds. So we're going to mix half of our spices. And then directly over here, I have my rack set up. So we're going to take avocado slice, just throw it in there. That's what it looks like. Egg wash it. That's the way it comes out. There they are. So what we're going to do now is we're going to spray them real lightly on the top. It's not for non-sticking. It's to help them get a little crispier. Coconut oil. All sides of it. Now we're going to throw it in a 400-degree oven for 6 minutes per side. So you'll end up needing your tongs. It's just right job, right tool for the right job. There we go. That was 6 minutes. We are going to just gently turn them. Some of them I didn't get quite where I wanted with the breading. It doesn't have to be a complete turn. You just want to get them all right. See you in another 6. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, look at them. Oh my. All right, so I'm going to pause it for a minute and get the ingredients out for our sauce. See another time. 1 heaping spoonful right there. Actually, we'll go ahead and go 2. I'll save it. Okay, now we are going to put in Diamondback Sriracha. This is like sriracha, but you see that word right there? Texified. It's hot chili sauce. I don't know if they got it in your part of the world or not, but just like that. And then G. Hughes sugar-free ketchup, no carbs. 1 of those. And mix it up. Needs 1 more sriracha. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I could eat that like that as a soup. There it is, guys. So I just put 1 cilantro leaf in for garnishment and a little dash of my chili pepper spice mix. They taste amazing. So, love you. Take care. Thanks for watching.